everybody in this audience, when we so enjoy something, now you know that the audience enjoyed you. When the first time they called, hello. But now, you have to repeat after me. Okay, here we go, ready? Cheer! Because it's so honest, it was just like the best Pokeball that you could have. Or the best Tantan ramen that you could get your hands on. More than, you know the white anay mango?
Yes.
Yeah.
So, sounds so good, you can taste some, yeah?
You could just taste.
You can taste some. Oh my
so
God.
honest, so you say, Hanahwa!
Definitely. Oh, man. All right, well, thank you for the warm hug. We appreciate it. You know, well, it's what we do. We love to play music, so we don't really need a hum-ho. We will just play it because we just enjoy playing.
Sometimes we hum ourselves.
Yeah. Hum-ho, myself. The three of us.
Are you calling me twice again? Oh, this guy.
Okay, well, let's see. You want to do something a little different, or we want to stay? Okay.
time. A big round of applause for Weldon Kid Cole, everybody. And again, Dominica Mahal.